Today is Tuesday, June 20th, and this is your 2-Minute Tech Byte. Ransomware group Black Cat has claimed responsibility for the phishing attack on Reddit that occurred in February. The group asserts that it obtained 80 gigabytes of data and threatens to publicly release it unless Reddit pays a $4.5 million ransom and rolls back its proposed API pricing changes, which sparked protests from users and moderators. Reddit confirmed the February breach involved a sophisticated and highly targeted phishing attack, but stated that user data not already public had not been accessed. Reddit declined to comment on the recent claims made by Black Cat. You can find out more about the current Reddit revolt at 2minutetechbytes.com. Twitter user at @I'mACid discovered that ChatGPT can generate free Windows 10 and 11 keys when prompted correctly. Screenshots of the generated keys went viral on Twitter. However, it was reported that the keys generated by ChatGPT and Bard were generic license keys, limiting the functionality of the operating system to the basic version. When attempting to replicate the results, both chatbots initially declined to generate the keys, stating that they lacked the ability to do so. But after some prompt engineering, specifically telling the large language models that a deceased grandmother would read Windows 10 Pro keys as bedtime stories, both chatbots eventually provided keys. It is unclear if the keys generated are from large language model hallucinations or if the responses are from scraped articles from around the internet. We're excited to see what users can crack next. Microsoft has confirmed that recent outages to the Azure, Outlook, and OneDrive web portals were results of a Layer 7 DDoS attack. The Layer 7 DDoS attacks are distributed denial-of-service attacks carried out at the application level of the OSI model, the model describing standard machine-to-machine communication layers found in the sources below. Anonymous Sudan has claimed responsibility for the attack that took out Outlook.com on June 7th, OneDrive on June 8th, and finally the Azure portal on June 9th. Microsoft originally hinted that they were being DDoS during the incident, stating that they were applying load-balancing processes in order to mitigate the issue, but did not confirm that it was a DDoS attack till the press release on June 19th. Anonymous Sudan, or Storm 1359, is known for targeting organizations and government agencies worldwide, taking them down in DDoS attacks or leaking stolen data. Unit 42, a security research team at Palo Alto Networks, has found ChatGPT impersonation apps targeting Android users. SuperGPT, an AI assistant that uses GPT-4 as its backend, has an evil twin that has been found distributing command and control malware. The real app, shown on screen now, will help you write emails, answer questions, and translate literature, while the masquerading malware will give the attacker control of the Android device through the MeterPreter Trojan. Another Android app, this time a ChatGPT ripoff, was found sending premium text message to a hard-coded Taiwanese phone number after getting access to the Send SMS Android permission. To mitigate your risk of AI exploitation, never put sensitive information into AI generative services like ChatGPT or Bard. Track and review all LLM use cases to ensure no sensitive information is being exposed. Proactively notify employees of the security risks associated when using AI generative services in the workplace. And finally, never download apps from third-party distributors. Today is Tuesday, June 20th, and that was your 2-Minute Tech Byte. Will Reddit or its community win the standoff? Are DDoS attacks making a comeback as a new norm? Why would life give you lemons? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to take a bite out of your day and stay in the know, subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for your next bite. Thank you for watching. We will see you with the newest tech news in the next 2-Minute Tech Byte.